Service in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for
Turn around.
southeastern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Dunn County, northwestern Chippewa County until 10 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 4 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bloomer, New Auburn, Dallas, Sand Creek, and Chippewa Moraine State Rec area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area by 8 p.m. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
%.